Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can turn on your PlayStation 5 with your phone. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you.
As you can see guys, I'm right now on my phone. So right now, go ahead and search for the PlayStation app on your phone. If you have it, if you don't have it, just go to Play Store or to App Store depending on which phone you have. Then go ahead and search for PlayStation. Once you do that, right here, go ahead and search for the PlayStation app. If you don't find it, just go ahead and click on or search for PS app like this. And then once you find the PlayStation app, go ahead and click on it. Make sure it's from PlayStation Mobile. And then right here, go ahead and click on download and just wait for the app to be downloaded. Once the app finishes downloading, go ahead and click on open or just search for it here in the homepage. So after that, go ahead and click on the application and wait for it to load. Then you're going to be right here. So basically, guys, once you're here, as you can see, guys, this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the sections. Here, you're going to find Play, Explore, PlayStation Store. Here, you're going to find Game Library. And lastly, you're going to find Search. So go ahead and click on the Play section. Then right here, you're going to find all of your games, your recently played games. So go ahead and choose a game from here. Go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you will find, or you should have the option to play the game. So basically, guys, if you have the game, just go ahead and click on play now. As you can see, guys, I don't have this game. That's why I have add to library. So if you have the option to click on play now, click on it, and then your PlayStation will turn on automatically and it will launch this game. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.